Keep your important documents, digital media, and other small valuables protected from fire and water damage with the Honeywell 1104 Waterproof Fire Chest. You can obtain peace of mind knowing that all Honeywell fire chests have been rigorously tested by independent laboratories for fire and water resistance. The 1104 chest is UL classified to withstand temperatures of up to 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit, protecting its contents for up to an hour. It also features 2 compression latches that create an airtight seal, earning a waterproof certification for 24 hours, even when the chest is completely submerged up to 1 meter. The 1104 chest features a convenient carry handle and utilizes a key lock to ensure privacy. The chest is equipped with specially designed hydraulic safety hinges that prevent the lid from slamming shut and accidentally pinching fingers. The 1104 offers 0.39 cubic feet of interior capacity and is the only UL fire chest that allows for flat storage of both letter and legal-size documents. All Honeywell fire chests are backed by an industry-leading 7-year warranty and a lifetime after-fire replacement guarantee.